automatic lines before optimization, Google Business Profile performance. I'd compare previous 3 months and during optimization 2 months. I've been working for this business over 2 months. October is running. I started working from August, and I've done August, September, and working in October now. But in this video, I'd compare previous 3 months before start working, May to July, their performance, and compare just 2 months after or during optimization result of the Google Business Profile. So let's begin. Before May to July overview, we can count as impression. So 1,479, and just August to September during optimization, it was 1,628 increases. And if I go to calls, 200 calls during optimization or after optimization, August and September. And if I go to May to July before optimization, it's 180 chats. They have WhatsApp chat they added to their Google Business Profile was made from this business, May to July 37, and during optimization, August to September, it was 37 increases, obviously, because before it was 3 months and this is now 2 months. And bookings doesn't make any sense for this business. They don't have anything. So direction, this is a chiropractic business clinic. They want customer to their store. Also website lead, whatever calls, everything makes sense. So here, August to September, during optimization, 827, and before 608 increases, right? And website clicks was made from this business from May to July before working, 654, and during optimization, 564, nearly, like, although increases, but compared to 3 months is huge, I would say. And October is still going, so I hope I can achieve more things in October. I would create another video for this business. What was the previous 3 months position, and after working for this business 3 months, what's the improvement that got for this business. Thank you very much.